Which organization is the co-host of GLEX 2025? A. ISRO. B. NASA. C. Astronautical Society of India. D. DRDO. Correct option, C. Answer. Astronautical Society of India. Question number 2. The Indian Armed Forces launched Operation Sindoor, targeting terrorist sites in Pakistan and Pakistan-occupied Jammu and Kashmir in retaliation to the barbaric Pahalgam attack. What prompted the launch of Operation Sindoor in May 2025? A. Attack on CRPF convoy. B. Pahalgam terrorist attack. C. Kargil infiltration. D. Maldives coup attempt. Correct option, B. Answer. Pahalgam terrorist attack. Question number 3. The DRDO and Indian Navy successfully tested the multi-influence ground mine, MIME, which enhances capabilities against stealth ships and submarines. What is the primary objective of the MIGM developed by DRDO and the Indian Navy? A. Detect aerial threats. B. Enhance ground mobility. C. Target stealth ships and submarines. D. Build coastal infrastructure. Correct option, C. Answer. Target stealth ships and submarines. Question number 4. India's Waves 2025 summit was inaugurated by Prime Minister Modi in Mumbai to boost India's footprint in the entertainment economy. What is the aim of the Waves 2025 summit? A. Promote Indian agriculture. B. Boost defense exports. C. Expand India's entertainment footprint. D. Launch new telecom policy. Correct option, C. Answer. Expand India's entertainment footprint. Question number 5. Madhya Pradesh became the first Indian state to implement AI-based forest monitoring using satellite images, mobile feedback, and machine learning. Which state pioneered AI-based forest management in India? A. Maharashtra. B. Tamil Nadu. C. Madhya Pradesh. D. Kerala. Correct option, C. Answer. Madhya Pradesh. Question number 6. Goldsikka introduced an AI-powered gold melting ATM in Hyderabad, enabling multiple gold-related transactions like buying, selling, exchanging and leasing. What unique feature does Goldsikka's new ATM provide? A. Dispenses food. B. Exchanges currency. C. Melts and processes gold. D. Charges electric vehicles. Correct option, C. Answer. Melts and processes gold. Question number 7. India has overtaken Japan to become the world's 4th largest economy, according to the International Monetary Fund's April 2025 outlook. Which rank does India now hold in the global economy according to IMF 2025 projections? A. 2nd. B. 3rd. C. 4th. D. 5th. Correct option, C. Answer. 4th. Question number 8. Global Alliance for Mass Entrepreneurship, GAME, partnered with Niti Aayog to support local entrepreneurship in towns and rural India. What is the primary aim of the GAME and Niti Aayog collaboration? A. Promote FDI. B. Create government jobs. C. Build a local entrepreneurship ecosystem. D. Export MSME goods. Correct option, C. Answer. Build a local entrepreneurship ecosystem. Question number 9. The Indian Institute of Foreign Trade received approval to set up its off-campus center at Gift City in Gujarat. Where is the new IIFT off-campus center being established? A. Mumbai. B. Gandhinagar. C. Pune. D. Bengaluru. Correct option, B. Answer. Gandhinagar. Question number 10. India participated in the BRS Conventions 2025 and opposed the listing of chlorpyrifos under the Stockholm Convention due to food security concerns and lack of alternatives. Why did India oppose the listing of chlorpyrifos in BRS 2025? A. Climate concerns. B. Health risks. C. Lack of data. D. Food security and lack of alternatives. Correct option, D. Answer. Food security and lack of alternatives.